Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is work with this piece, one of Sanford's piece. Okay, I'm going to put something in the center, kind of approximately the center. Alright. Alright, it's just making a little hole. Other side. Kind of guessing. Add a little hole. Alright. Now, I gotta go get my safety glass. Oh, here it is. Okay. Must wear this. This is not safe stuff to do. Okay. So, where'd I put that? Okay. I'm going to put this boy in here. Okay, that's just to make an imprint. That's this thing. Okay. Gonna go on the drive end, right there. This is to hold it steady. See, because it's not really hooked to anything. It's just sitting there. Get back in there. Bring this up. Make sure this is looking good. Not too far. Okay, I'm just trying to get it kind of in the center. Just trying to save as much wood as possible. Alright. Everything here has to be tight, or else it is not safe. Okay, I lock that down. This is my tool rest. This is my tool bed. This is the tail stock. This is the head stock. Okay. I turn it, make sure it doesn't hit. If it hits, it's no good. Okay. Make sure we're tight. Gotta tighten everything up. Okay. Alright, this is not a toy, people. Okay. So, just about ready. First tool I'm going to use is this boy. Okay. There it is. That is called a ball gouge. And this is very sharp. Okay? If it's not sharp, it's dangerous. It's dangerous anyhow, but it has to be sharp. Taking that off. Alright, let me make sure you can see everything. see what I've done so far. Cut this. Nothing there. Almost cut off the I love you stamp first. Okay. Making it closer. Making sure it's still tight. Okay, because it is only squeezed in. See what we got. See? Still need to do there. Getting closer. Always want this to be right there and not touch it. Okay, show you what we have. Okay, by the way, this was very easy wood to turn. Turned very nicely. Not quite there yet, a little more there. I'm going to make a bottom on it. Oh, see, we have a crack here. Okay, so that could cause some problems. Gonna have to be careful. Alright. Put this back here. A little closer. And bring it in a little bit more. Okay. Tighten it up again. Okay. All right. I'm going to switch to another tool to get the bottom made here. Okay. I'm using this tool now. where we are now. Okay. Step 1 is done. Ready to move on to step 2. See you the next video.